Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class estate. At the moment we're on nav, so if we go to telephone, if you click on telephone there, you'll see at the moment telephone at the bottom, connect device, SMS, call list, system. I'm going to go down, I'm going to knock it down, it's there, it's on highlighted in the center there. I'm going to knock it down to telephone. You've got connect device. You don't want to connect to device, but if you click on connect device and then select the device you want, you'll see that there's another menu there. So the little graphic comes up there, and we knock that to the side like so, click on it, deauthorize, that's what we want to do, deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 13? Select yes, click yes, that's it, it's gone. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.